Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick 2025 tutorial I will show you how to lower your video size in OBS Studio step by step and explain all the settings you should know. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So first of all, use efficient recording format. So first of all, open OBS Studio and go to the setting. Here you can see this is the setting options we have. So once we come over here, you can make sure you have using MP4 or MKV. These formats are more efficient than FLV and RAW files. Here you can see the video output. Here you will find out the FSP and the things here. And also choose a hardware encoder if your PC supports it, like NVENC or NVIDIA or AMD HW. It compresses video better without losing much quality. Then let's talk about the lower bitrate. Let's check this out, like recording bitrate. So here you can see this is the biggest factor for file size. For 1080p you can usually go with 500 to 10,000 kbps for good quality. If your files are huge, try lowering the bitrate by 1000 to 2000 kbps at a time until you find the sweet spot between size and quality. Then here is we have a couple of things, like here you can see the appearance, then the output what you will get. You can see the video bitrate we set 250 kbps and audio bitrate is 160, and the audio encoder is ACC. So here you just need to make it like something this, then encoder preset will be this. Here is we have a couple of other things, but we choose this one very first. Then here you can go to the video, and here you can see the base canvas resolution is 16:9. Then you just need to adjust resolutions, like it is another big factor in resolution and FPS. Head to the video tab. Here you click to the video tab, and here if you are recording at 4K but don't need it, drop your base and output resolutions to 1080p or even 720p. Also consider lowering your FPS count from 60 to 30. This cuts file size almost in half and is fine for tutorials or simple recording. Then let's talk about the use CVR or CRV. So next, pick the right or rate control. In output setting you will see options like CVR. Here you can see that this one is CVR here. So in this place your CVR keeps file size predictable. Use it if you want to control exactly how big your files are. A CVR value of 20 to 23 is good for smaller files with good quality. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. Now you know how to lower your file size in OBS with all best options explained for 2025. Thanks for watching. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.